Hey guys, I'm Ian Maction, and today I'm going to show you how to get highlight and dimension in your hair with this fun half up and half down hairstyle using BELLAMI Balayage silk seam clip-in extensions. Today I'm using all BELLAMI hair products, and to find out where to get them, make sure to check out the description below. Now, let's get started. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. For more hair tutorials, make sure to subscribe to our channel.